Welcome back, A-ROK team, to another review. My friends over at Betopper have done it again. They took the LM1915R along with my favorite wash light, the LM3715R. They joined it together to create the perfect mobile wash light. Oh yes, let me introduce to you the new family member, the LM1915P. So stick around because I'm going to tell you everything about them, and we're going to be taking these babies on the road. Introducing the LM1915P by Betopper. This fixture delivers an impressive 3000 lumens, driven by 19 main pixels, each powered by a potent 15-watt RGBW LED. Beyond the primary output, it features 114 secondary pixels, powered by an RGB 3-in-1 LED strip that adds a professional layer of depth to this light show. The LM1915P comes in at a height of 16.5 inches tall, 11.8 inches width, with a 9.8 inches of depth, and the unit weighs at 14.3 pounds. Super lightweight. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get up and running. A PowerCon cable for secure power linking. A DMX cable for signal and daisy chaining. A fast mounting bracket, which is a game changer. And a user manual to guide your initial setup. The LM1915P offers a massive 540-degree pan and a 270-degree tilt range. In practice, the movement is remarkably smooth and exceptionally fast, allowing for quick position resets or fluid sweeps across the dance floor. For high energy moments, the integrated strobe offers a versatile speed range of 1 to 25 Hz. When pushing the system to its limit, the fixture draws a rated power consumption of 350 watts. The real standout is the eye candy ring, a 38 LED RGB light strip that is independently controlled, giving you a creative freedom to layer colors beneath the main beam. To dial in your coverage, the unit features an automatic motorized zoom range of 5.5 degrees to a 42-degree, transitioning seamlessly from a tight punchy beam to a wide uniform wash. Betopper housed this unit in a rugged stealth black composite casing that feels built for the road. It carries an IP20 rating, and it utilizes a high-efficiency multi-fan cooling system. Even with the internal power working hard, the noise floor is kept surprisingly low, making these suitable for weddings or events where silence during speeches is mandatory. The front-facing LCD screen is intuitive, navigated by 4 tactile control buttons: menu, up, down, and enter. The menu system offers total command over the fixture. You have DMX mode, auto mode, sound active mode, master, and slave mode for DMX and slave programming. The back panel is extremely for efficiency, featuring DMX in, DMX out, power in, power out for daisy chaining, and a dedicated fuse holder and the master power switch. Pro tip, while this light includes multiple built-in sound active modes for quick setups, my pro tip is simply use a DMX controller. You lose the true potential of the 38 LED eye candy ring and the motorized zoom if you rely solely on an auto program. For those high-end events, you'll love the color temperature range. It offers a crisp 8500 kelvins cool white for that modern dance floor and a soft 2800 kelvins for that warm white that is absolutely perfect for that elegant candlelight look every bride is asking for right now. We are taking these out to a pool party event to put the 3000 looms output to the test in real world condition. Personally, I use these as my primary wash lights, so I keep the movement subtle and elegant. But rest assured, if you need to go absolutely wild, they have more than enough speed to tear up the dance floor. So come with me and let me show you what these babies can do.
And there you go, my friends. That was the LM1915P from Betopper. So if you loved it as much as I do, make sure you click on the link below, save yourself some money, and tell them DJ A-ROK sent you. And we'll see you on the next mix.